My name is Dan Cheatham and I'm with Legends Consulting. I'd like to take you down to the farm, auf dem Bauernhof. Bauernhof, farm. Der Bauer is the farmer, or if it's multiple farmers, typical of Germany, die Bauer. Now, sort of large to small, the animals at your farm, der Stier. Der being masculine, Stier is a bull, der Stier. Die, feminine, die Kühe, or die Kuh, the cow, die Kühe, the cows. Das Kalb, it happens to be neutral, das Kalb is the calf. Das is the neutral gender. Das Schwein, everyone knows a Schwein, happens to be a pig. Now, die Ferkel are the piglets. Die Ferkel. If you have horses, das Pferd is a horse. Die Pferde are horses. Das Kaninchen would be your rabbit, a rabbit. Das Kaninchen. Der Hahn is the rooster, der Hahn. And das Huhn is the chicken, female chicken. Die Hühner is what you'll probably say mostly because you're referring to mini chickens. It's rare that you just have one chicken at a farm. Das Schaf, and die Schafe. Das Schaf is sheep, and die Schafe is plural, sheep, ask me. Die Ziege is your goat, die Ziege, or die Ziegen, plural, the goats. Die Gans is a goose. Die Gänse are geese. Die Gans, goose. Die Gänse, geese. And lastly, die Ente. Die Ente is a duck. Die Enten, the ducks.